Damage is widespread across most of our counties due to the floodwaters that hit us a couple of weeks back.
Yeah, many counties have made disaster declarations in hopes of receiving state and federal funds to fix the washed out roads. 4029's Joe Ellison takes us to Sequoyah County now, where bridges and roads will take millions of dollars to repair.
This is just one of the many roads that counties in our area are dealing with. Here in Sequoyah County, they had to build a temporary bypass so residents could leave their homes.
That was the crossing that was here, and whenever the water came up, it washed the backfill all off.
This is First Street North in Marble City. Floodwaters washed the bridge out, leaving county commissioners like Steve Carter scrambling for a fix.
Approximately 25 to 30 homes that live over there on the other side of the creek, and this is the only way they've got to get out. But after this happened, NRCS and the district attorney's office provided us with the permission to go ahead and build them a temporary bypass up around across the top of White's Lake up there.
It looked similar to a four-wheeler trail before the White Rock was laid down. Those who like the country living, like Wilma White, say it's all right.
Well, it's a good road. I mean, it's good if you're not afraid to cross that dam.
For some, it's about 3 miles out of their way, and it may be that way for a while.
You know, what we go for first is the governor's declaration, which we got that.
Counties like Sequoyah have declared emergency disaster declarations. Now they are waiting for federal assessment teams to look at the damage.
There's no way we can come in here and put this back at this immediate time. I mean, it may take a few weeks before this water ever goes down.
Now, Sequoyah County says they've already spent over $100,000 to make temporary fixes, and they're hoping that federal funding will come soon. This bridge will cost around $85,000 to fix. In Sequoyah County, I'm Joe Ellison, 4029 News.